The account bar. The account bar summarizes positions and working orders in a single view. Different ways to access your account bar. First of all, go via the Accounts button in the standard toolbar and select with one left click the desired account. To close the account bar, click on the little cross up at the right-hand corner. Alternatively, you can assign an account to your chart via the Speed Trader, and this will automatically open the account bar and add the contract to the account bar. Another way to open the account bar is to go via the workspace bar. If your workspace bar isn't open, go to View and select Workspace bar. Click on the plus next to Accounts and on the plus of your product family and do a double left click on your account number. The account bar can be moved on your screen by grabbing the top bar of the window and moving it to one of the anchor points on either side of your screen, like this. If I let go here, then the account bar will be moved to the top of my platform. Grab the bar again and move it down to the anchor point at the bottom to place it back below my charts. The account bar is composed of 3 different information types. First of all, you have the tablet here at the bottom, positions and orders. Here you will be able to see your different positions, working orders. Here you have a tablet for completed orders, and at the bottom of the account bar you will see your cash, the cash on your account, your total P&L on the account, the available equity on the account, and the margin required by your positions, as well as the coverage of this margin by your account value in percentage. To add a symbol to your account bar, simply click on the first icon in the bar. Type in the name or part of the name of the contract and select a study in the list and then click on OK, or simply do a double click on the selected study, and the contract has been added to my account bar. Let us have a look at the different icons that are available. This second icon will allow you to open a chart on the selected product. The third icon will open the designer bar so that you can configure the study according to your wishes, as we've seen in other films, add indicators, and so forth and so forth. With this icon, the fourth icon, you can activate the trade guard, as you would do by clicking on this button up here at the top and selecting trade guard plus auto order. Simply selecting the product with the study that has been attached to it and clicking on this icon, I can activate or deactivate the trade guard. This button will allow me to activate multiple stops and multiple targets. As you can see, multiple targets and multiple stops have been changed to yes in the study here on the left-hand side of my chart. With this icon, I can show the previous fills of the day on the chart. As you can see, I bought one lot on the France 40 right here, and I sold one lot up here, as shows the -1 on the chart. This icon that looks like a little flag will open the speed trader on the product on the chart. This icon will allow me to manage the order defaults for manual orders. First of all, on the left hand side, the initial size of each order, size and increment, and different other things such as the order type, which will be by default in the order ticket. Up here you can also manage and configure your bracket orders according to the type of product you are trading and the server that they are being traded on. Via the account bar, you can also configure notifications for certain actions on one product or the other. For example, when a buy order or a sell order has been sent or has been filled, you can either have a pop-up window appear or an email can be sent, and you can also get a sound alert. With these two icons, you can call up an activity report for the account in question. Please note that this is not an account statement. It is only an activity report for your platform. Should an order be executed, filled whilst the platform is closed, it will not be included in this report. Thanks to this little cross, you can remove a contract from your account bar. I can easily add the contract again by selecting its title within the chart and pulling it to the account bar and letting go in an empty field. I can also change the font thanks to this icon. These two icons here are very important. This one will cancel all my working orders. This icon with the two exclamation points will close out all my positions and cancel all my orders in one click. It's an emergency button, as you will say. This icon will give me a day trading statistics report. Once again, this report only covers the time, the period between my last login and now. It is only meant for statistics. It is not an account report of any sort. These buttons I will show to you later. They allow to collapse all the positions or show the positions, the sub-positions, and this will show or hide the working orders on a particular product in your account bar. Underneath all these icons, you have of course, different columns. These columns can be configured according to your wishes by simply doing a right click on one of them and selecting Configure Columns. The field chooser will appear. Here you can take a column, grab it with your left mouse and pull it to the field chooser, let go to remove it from the present columns. You can also take one of the columns, one of the fields, and pull it to the position you wish and let go, and this will add it automatically to the selected columns in your account bar. Let us now see how the positions and orders can be visualized in the account bar. I'm now going to go back to the Germany 30 and I will take a position thanks to the buy, sell and exit button that you have here. You can directly place your orders in the account bar. So I'm selecting the Germany 30 to activate it and I'm going to click on buy to open a ticket, an order ticket. I'll add some contingent order which automatically appear in my chart. I'll pull the stop order a bit lower under the market and I'll click on buy. Immediately you see that the size of the position has changed to 1 as I bought one lot. This is my fill price and the current P&L in the currency of the product. This is the last price, and here in the stop and target columns you see the price of my stop and the price of my limit order. Their state is submitted, so they are working on the server. These columns are very interesting. This column, RRR, is the ratio risk reward. It calculates it automatically based on my stop and limit orders. If I change the position of my stop, you'll see that my risk reward ratio has been changed. If I increase my limit order, it will change again. And as you can see, the little black triangle shows me where the market actually is within this range between stop and limit order. In the profit column, the little bar will become greener as the market moves towards my target and as I make a profit on the position. When the bar is completely green, the market will have reached my limit order and the position will be closed out. Potential profit and potential risk are also calculated, and here again you have bid and ask prices as we are on a CFD and the margin required by my position. Underneath are my two orders. Once again, here in the order type window, you can see that they are OCO orders and that the initiator is manual. It is not placed by TradeGuard. I placed it via the order ticket. If I increase my position by one lot, you can now see that the main line for Germany 30 has increased and that the position is now of 2 with an average entry price. But underneath you have the detail of the two positions that were taken, as they were taken at different prices and have different P&Ls working. If I do not want to see the different positions that make the total, I can just simply click on this icon and the subpositions will disappear, leaving only the main position, the total position. Same thing here. If I click on this icon, the protection orders, the bracket orders will disappear. They'll be hidden underneath. I can simply click on the icons again to show them and to see what is below, but I can also see them in my chart. If I click now on, let me just show you first of all, if I click on the exclamation point, my working orders will all be cancelled. If I click on the emergency button, all orders will be cancelled, but also all positions will be closed out. Let us now go on to France 40. Change my chart by clicking on the tablet up at the top. I have already inserted click stop and click target, and I'm now going to activate the TradeGuard Plus auto order by clicking on this icon. Now you can see up here, top right hand side, TradeGuard and auto order have been activated. If I now buy a position at market, TradeGuard will automatically place my bracket orders for me at the indicated distance from market. In the account bar, you can see my main position and also the bracket orders. You can see that they are bracket orders placed by TradeGuard, as the initiator here is bracket order. All working orders can also be cancelled by using the cancel buttons here in the exit column. Looking down at the bottom, you can see that my P&L is of minus 20 cents. The margin required by my positions in total is shown here, as well as the cover of my account in regards to the margin. Going over to the completed orders, I have a full history of the orders placed, filled, and cancelled today. So here you can see the action, buy or sell, the type of order, the average prices, and the time of cancellation or execution.